Hello everybody, my name is Robert Elrington. I'm a professional speaker, author, mentor and coach. I specialise in personal and business development. My guest today is a wonderful man. I've known this man for approximately 18 months and all I can say is I have so much fun. I've never laughed so much ever. Of course I'm talking about the Managing Director of Cinderella's commercial cleaning, Mark Ferdinand, or as we commonly call him, Fonzie. And welcome Fonzie, and it's a great pleasure to formally interview you today. It's very good. So, you know, there's a lot of cleaning companies out there all saying some of the things. So maybe we could kick it off first by asking, why should people consider doing business with Cinderella's?
Hi Rob. At Cinderella's we aim to excite our staff and clients about the wonderful world of cleaning by bringing sparkle to their premises.
Wow.
We do this by maintaining a team of highly trained, caring and professional staff that continually deliver outstanding results. We offer services to impress your staff and clients. We only use the best quality products and we solve your cleaning problems with our world-class solutions.
Well, I can only endorse those words because I've actually watched you with closeness on the corona thing going on, and I was absolutely total admiration of the way you behaved, what you did for a lot of people, especially with the toilet rolls and the hand sanitisers and all those hard work you did and the late hours you kept to keep people happy. So what really motivates you, Fonzie, to do it? I know you a fair bit, but you are a very genuine person. You do care a lot about people, and I can only endorse you for a start. But what is it that makes you do that? Because this is, would you tell me it's your 30th anniversary today, isn't it?
Tomorrow is the 17th of July today, so the 18th of July is the 30th birthday
of
Cinderella's. Yeah.
How do you maintain that enthusiasm for 30 years? That's amazing.
I just really love to help people. We really care about people, and we care about property, and we're really good at looking after people and property.
And one thing after I got to know you, but when you and your wonderful staff introduced me to that litmus test, can you tell us? That's quite unique. That I've not found that in any other companies I've worked with, but that's a wonderful thing. So can you tell us, what is this litmus test you do for corporations or companies?
So we offer a litmus test, which is basically a cleaning health check for your premises, for your business. And we go in, perform the test and provide the business owner or the landlord with a health check report.
Would that be a written report?
Written report.
Well, you think that would be very popular, especially under the current things with the corona thing and all that sort of stuff?
People are focused a lot on taking care of their staff right now and looking after their customers, but not just looking after them and providing them with a hygienic environment to work and play in, but also the perception that they're doing something to look after their customers and their staff. So the perception is so important. So it's one thing to be actually doing things, but to also demonstrate that you are doing it and advertising it or marketing it to let people know that it is safe to come in to your restaurant, it is safe to come and visit your hotel or your retail outlet. That's really important right now. So that's why cleaners are needing to step up and perform at a higher level.
Wow. So you could we say that you could put on a building, this building has been litmus tested for a health check?
We could. Utilising Cinderella's services, you would, because we use 2.5 pH hospital grade sanitizer, in fact we produce it ourselves, we're able to spray ourselves with it.
Oh, okay. Well,
so we're completely sanitised.
Yeah.
So we're a sanitised cleaner walking in to clean your premises and sanitise your premises with sanitizer that we manufacture ourselves.
And you also, I believe, have a chemically free division as well. Can you tell us about that, Fons?
Yeah, for sure.
Like total chemical free of...
Total chemically free. So
Yeah.
we offer a chemical solution to your cleaning problems, as well as a non-chemical or chemically free
Is the price
solution.
the big difference between the price? Because
Absolutely no price difference.
so I can have chemically free for the same price.
Same price. Yeah.
Well, that's good, because you think a lot of people today would be, for obvious reason, be very conscious of that.
Well, it goes back to the mission statement that we solve your cleaning problems with our world-class solutions.
Well, I think that's exceptional. So, what's just something we could offer today for our people who are watching today?
I've
as
got
a
an
bit of
idea.
incentive? Yeah.
How about you come up with the offer and I'll just approve it?
Well, I think, what about having a free litmus test?
Yeah,
to
that's
give you
good.
a free health check-up on your building.
And I'll throw in 12 rolls of toilet paper as well.
Oh, wow. Well, you must have a lot of those because you collected so many, didn't you?
Well, what happened was we had a warehouse full of toilet paper when...
And hand sanitizer.
And hand sanitizer when COVID happened. So when the coronavirus hit, we had a run on toilet paper. So I went to all of my suppliers and ordered more, but there was nothing there. So they put it all on back order. And after about 7 or 8 weeks, all the back orders arrived. And so now I've got a mountain of toilet paper in the shed. So I'm prepared to start throwing it out.
Well, what
Giving it
about we
away.
offer for the people coming initially, we'll give you half a dozen rolls of toilet paper.
Sounds good.
As a complimentary thing. But I would like to think also this give you a free health checkup, irrespective, and if you like what we do, then maybe we can talk about some business, but I think that'd be a wonderful incentive for people today. So you happy to give that?
That's brilliant, yeah.
All right.
So let's recap. A free litmus test to do a health check on your business premise.
Yeah.
And I'll throw in 12
12.
rolls of toilet paper.
God, how many have you got out there?
If you call us out.
It was only about a month ago. People were killing each other in supermarkets for toilet paper.
I do have a
Giving
mountain.
away. Yeah, you do have a mountain.
And yeah, this would be very helpful for our cleaners, because over this period a number of the businesses that we traditionally looked after have closed out or paused for a while, like the hotels and things like that. And a lot of our cleaners are out of work or looking for extra work. So
And you're currently looking for some cleaners too, aren't you? You're looking to employ
always
some?
looking for more cleaners, more clients. We've got a state-of-the-art...
Good job opportunities for people at Cinderella.
Absolutely. We've got a state-of-the-art workflow management system that's on your phone.
Yep.
And we give our clients an ability to log in, and they can see exactly what the cleaners are doing, what areas they need to be at, when they arrived at work. They have real buy-in to the whole system. So when you're using Cinderella's, it's like you don't have to worry about the cleaning anymore. We've taken care of it. And if you're ever wondering what's going on, it's all there in your login. You can just see what's going on at any point in time.
Well, thanks so much, Fons. It's wonderful to always talk to you. You're a real... I often say to you, if I'm having a bad day, I'll go online and have a look at you on Facebook. You're a good man. I know you do care about people. Well, thanks very much for listening today. I'd encourage you to take up the offer to get a free health check on your building, and it's quite unique. And to have that would be a good motivator for your staff as well, because you can say that you really care, as Fons said. So thank you very much. Enjoy yourself, and we'll see you at the next interview. Thanks very much.
Thank you.